When it comes to your dental website, if you want to attract more patients to it, the harsh reality is there isn't a magic solution. But believe it or not, it's actually a lot more straightforward than you might think. My name is Zach and I'm from RevUp Dental, and if you stick around until the end of this video, you'll have all the information and insight you'll need to get your website on the right track. First things first, let me break down the real meaning of search engine optimization, or SEO for short, because there seems to be a lot of misconceptions about SEO, how it works, and what it means. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to make it more visible, relevant, and popular in search engine rankings. By improving its technical configuration, content, and link popularity, you increase the chances of your website appearing higher in search results. Ultimately, SEO helps your website stand out, attract more users, and grow your online presence. Search engines like Google want to provide their users with the most relevant and informative content at all times. So it's important for your website to know what your patients want and how you can address their needs or concerns. With that said, this is why having in-depth informative content on your website is so crucial. I can't tell you how many times I've come across dental websites that state they offer a service like dental implants, only to see one generic paragraph explaining what dental implants are. Now think about it like this: if a patient is strongly considering a procedure like dental implants, or any procedure for that matter, they're likely to have a large amount of questions about that procedure. So why not make your website the best source of information to answer those questions? But you're probably wondering how you can do that and where to even start. Well, there are a few ways, but first it's important you understand what a keyword is and how easy or hard it can actually be to rank for one. Keywords are used for targeting purposes related to people's searches and interests. Now, why are keywords so important? Well, if you want your website to get organic search traffic, it's essential to target specific keywords with your pages. Organic traffic means people are being recommended to your site without having to pay Google to show it to them. This is why keyword research is one of the most important aspects of search engine optimization. Going back to the dental implants example, let's be real, there are tons of other dental practices that offer this service in your area. So it's important to understand how difficult it could be to rank for a keyword like dental implants. Here's a website that we use as a reference called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is an SEO software suite with tools for link building, keyword research, competitive analysis, rank tracking, and site audits. This site is a great way to keep an eye on the performance of your website. According to Ahrefs, they have a keyword difficulty scale to use as a reference, and it's pretty straightforward. The scale ranges from 0 to 100. The lower the keyword is on the scale, the easier it is to rank for it. And the higher on the scale, the more difficult and competitive that keyword is. Now, understanding this will allow you to work smarter and not harder. As I mentioned earlier, when someone is searching for something like dental implants, their search inquiries aren't likely to stop just after typing in dental implants. It's very likely they're going to have more questions like, do dental implants hurt? Or how much do they cost? Now, these questions are considered to be long-tail keywords, and luckily for you, these questions are significantly easier to rank for as opposed to a generic keyword like dental implants. As you can see here, the keyword dental implants has a rank of 77 on the keyword difficulty scale, meaning that it's considered super hard to rank for. But Ahrefs also gives you a list of other relevant questions, aka long-tail keywords, that people also search for when searching for the generic keyword being dental implants. One thing to note is that search volume for these long-tail keywords is typically a little lower than the main keyword dental implants. However, the benefit is that it becomes easier for you to rank for. Something you would want to consider is that someone searching for the keyword dental implants isn't likely to be that serious about their inquiry, as they could just be a competitor in your area looking to see who in their area also offers dental implants, or people looking for super basic information. However, people who are searching for more intricate questions about implants are likely to be a lot more invested in that procedure, and those are the people you want to provide value and substance for. So here's another site called answerthepublic.com that is super helpful when it comes to finding out what people are searching for and what type of questions they have. This is where you can get a stronger idea of what people want to know and what you should spend your time addressing on your dental service landing pages. Looking at Answer the Public, you could search for a keyword like dental implants, select your country and preferred language, then hit search. Once that is done, as you scroll down, it will provide you with the who, what, when, where, and hows of the many questions potential patients have, and it also ranks them in terms of volume. This avoids you trying to answer questions that are extremely low in search volume. As you can see here, there are so many questions that people have beyond simply searching dental implants. But the reality is, most of your competitors are not addressing these questions, resulting in them constantly paying Google to display their website because Google wouldn't do it otherwise, as their sites just aren't optimized enough. Now lastly, what to do when you've done the hard work, you found the long tail keywords, aka questions that your patients in your area want to know. Well, it's time to start making content around those questions, and there are two ways to do so. First is written content. Most people opt for written because it seems like a lot less work, and although it has proven to be effective, another creative way to set your clinic apart from the others is by getting on camera and addressing these questions through a video. Here's a fun fact. An optimized video increases the chances of your brand being on the front page of Google's search engine result by 53 times. In short, Google cares about video content, and so should you. We work with hundreds of dental practices all over North America to help them create short-form video content that addresses questions patients have and keeps them entertained. People are way more likely to watch a short 1 to 2 minute video than read a 2 to 4 minute piece of written content, and Google understands that, which is why they favor sites with properly optimized content. Here are some examples of how we help our clients make this content. As you can see, we have dedicated service landing pages per each service our clients provide. And in those pages is a blend of written and video content that walks the patient through the whole journey behind the procedure and informs them on almost all of what they'll need to know to make an informed decision. One last thing you want to consider is nothing good comes easy or fast. This does require you to make the effort to search for what people want and then take the time to make content around it, but truly it does pay off in the long run. It's not like after making 2 videos your SEO will skyrocket, but after 3 to 6 months of keeping at it, you are very likely to start reaping the benefits. Anyway, if you enjoyed what you just saw and are interested in working with us, visit our website, RevUpDental.com, to book a demo and explore the opportunities. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with our channel and watch more informative videos like this. Your support is greatly appreciated, so please remember to like, comment, and share. Thank you for your time, and take care.